Hair loss. It's more than just a physical change. It can affect your confidence, your self-image, and your day-to-day life. That's why in season 4 of Hear What I'm Saying, we're bringing you the expertise, advice, and stories you need to take control of your hair restoration journey. This season, I'll be joined by experts like trichologist Aoife Marie of Aoife Marie Beauty in Austin, Texas.
Well, COVID, people are losing their hair.
Okay.
Ozempic. So sorry, ladies, if you're on Ozempic.
I'm glad you mentioned that.
You are going to lose your hair if you're on Ozempic because either the rapid weight loss is going to do it, or if you're taking a medication that your body doesn't necessarily need, you're going to end up shedding hair.
Dr. Saya Obayan, a board-certified dermatologist at Nature of Skin, will also share her expertise on scalp health and restoration.
We already know about things like ashwagandha that can help to reduce cortisol and help grow hair that way. Saw palmetto is a wonderful ingredient for growing hair.
Yeah.
Then you've got beringaraj, false daisy. That's another great one for growing hair.
Okay.
So what we're doing is basically taking all of these different ingredients that are in all these separate products and putting it in one place.
And from across the world, we'll hear from Kameese Davis, founder of Nyla's Naturals in the UK.
Looking at skinification. So how do we ensure that the skin and health of the scalp is in an optimal condition? And that's taking into consideration things like an understanding of how malassezia infects the acid mantile, understanding the importance of pH balance, looking at what are the surfactants that are needed to cleanse the scalp without stripping the hair of its natural oils and nutrients.
This season, we're covering everything from postpartum hair shedding to stress-induced loss and chronic conditions like alopecia. You'll learn about treatments, scalp care, and actionable solutions straight from the experts. Hair loss doesn't have to be the end of the story. Together, we'll explore ways to rewrite it. Follow us wherever you get your podcasts for expert advice, real stories, and the tools you need to take control of your hair journey.